Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Coach of the Sunshine Girls, Sasha Gay Henry, says the players are feeling relaxed going into the first contest in the Horizon Netball Series at home when they take on the England Roses this evening at the National Indoor Sports Centre. The Sunshine Girls trailed the England Roses 1-0 after the England leg of the series, having lost the second game 47-45 and drawn the first 49-49 last weekend.
We feel great. I think we did an extraordinary performance in our England encounter. I think that, from our defeat, we had a lot of lessons to learn and a lot of things to improve on. So we're looking forward to game 3.
Meanwhile, Shamira Sterling Humphrey, who is leading the team in the absence of regular captain Janelle Fowler-Nemard, says a win is critical.
I'll say I feel pressured, but as I say, it's a privilege to be in a position like this, to be the captain of the Sunshine Girls. So really grateful for this, but I think it's now leading my team from the front.
The match tips off at 6:30 p.m. Head coach of the Jamaica Scorpions, Robert Haynes, could not say whether or not the team could face sanctions after Saturday's Super 50 final against Barbados Pride ended in controversy. According to a CWI release on Sunday, the two captains failed to report for the toss after their game was reduced to 20 overs per side due to a rain delay that lasted over 5 hours. The CWI release highlighted that around 5:45 p.m., the officiating team determined that the game could proceed at the latest possible start time of 6:17, which is the original cutoff time set. They informed the players of this and that the toss would be conducted at 6 p.m. However, according to the release, despite assurances from the umpires and match referees that the conditions were safe for play, both captains failed to be present for the toss, allowing time to elapse past the latest start point. As a result, both teams failed to take the field, effectively refusing play. Speaking on his return to the island on Sunday, Haynes says he stands by the decision of the captain.
To be honest with you, the time frame that I got in terms of getting the guys ready to go and play cricket, I don't think it was enough, because we cannot be sitting down for over 5.5 hours and then in 25 minutes hear that you have to go and play. I think that is really sad, but at the end of the day, we will just have to wait and see what happens in terms of what the West Indies board will do.
And finally, the West Indies at sports time were 61 for 3 at lunch on the 4th day of the first test versus Bangladesh in Antigua. They lead by 242 runs. Kavem Haj and Alec Athanes are the current batters at the crease. Taskin Ahmed has taken 2 wickets so far, while Shariful Islam took the other wicket. Earlier, Bangladesh quickly declared at 269 for 9, not adding to their overnight score. Jakir Ali top scored with 53, while Muminul Haq supported with 50. Alzari Joseph took 3 for 69, while Jaden Seals and Justin Graves claimed 2 wickets apiece. The second test will take place at Sabina Park in Jamaica starting on November 30. I'm Christopher Scott, and that's your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.